Welcome! In this presentation, we will explore the Dreyfus model of skill acquisition. This model, developed by brothers Stuart and Hubert Dreyfus, is a framework used to describe how people learn and acquire skills through experience. It outlines 5 stages that individuals progress through from beginner to expert. Let's break it down. Picture a pyramid. At the base, we have the novice stage. This is where everyone starts when learning a new skill. Novices follow strict rules because they lack of experience. They don't have a deep understanding of the task, so they rely on instructions to guide them. As learners gain some experience, they move up to the advanced beginner stage. Here, they begin to recognize patterns and can handle slightly more complex tasks. However, they still need guidance and aren't ready to apply what they know independently. At this stage, rules is still important, but learners start to adapt them slightly based on their experiences. Next, we have competent. At this level, the individual is able to plan, make decisions, and prioritize tasks effectively. They've gained enough experience to understand which skills are relevant in different situations. While they still think through their actions carefully, they've developed the ability to problem solve on their own. Moving up, we reach the proficient stage. At this stage, learners have a deep understanding of the subject matter. They rely less on rules and more on intuition and experience. They can see the bigger picture and anticipate what's needed to solve the complex problems. Proficient individuals also tend to reflect on their performance and continuously seek improvement. At the very top of the pyramid is the expert stage. Experts operate almost instinctively, drawing on vast experience and knowledge. They don't rely on rules or guidelines. Instead, they know exactly what to do in almost any situation, often without conscious thought. Experts make decisions fluidly and can handle both routine and unique problems effortlessly. In summary, Dreyfus model describes a learner's journey from following rigid rules as a novice to acting on intuition as an expert. Understanding this model helps us appreciate the different stages of learning and the value of experience in skill development. Whether you are just starting out or working toward expertise, remember, growth takes time and practice. So, thanks for watching.